A pilot from Delta told ABC News earlier tonight that they actually had debris from the smoke and the fires attached to the jet.
Oh
The
my
pilot's
goodness.
the first time I've ever seen that.
Yeah.
So is our rain system going to push this away from Louisville and Kentuckiana?
Yes and no. So rain certainly helps, right? Over the next, I'd say 24 to 48 hours, this should be staying off to our north. That's where the alerts are. That's where you're seeing all the gray here. Those are air quality alerts due to the wildfire smoke burning in Canada and northeastern Minnesota. Now, of course, the greens, as we just heard, flooding, especially down in the hill country, unfortunately, again, in Texas. And then on top of the air quality, we've also been dealing with some high heat, high humidity due to the ridge of high pressure. So this is what the air quality index looks like right now. Here in Kentuckiana, we're still seeing greens, good air quality, some moderates kind of sprinkled in the region. That's pretty typical in a city in the summer. What's not typical, all of these reds and purples. Those are not only unhealthy, but also very unhealthy to hazardous. And that stretches from Minnesota down through Pennsylvania, New York State. You're even seeing DC dealing with some unhealthy air quality, but the worst of it really right in this corridor. And that's because this is where the thickest smoke is. This is where it's making it down to the surface. And the ridge of high pressure is looking to keep this primarily out of our area. It does want to get close to Cincinnati overnight and into tomorrow morning. But then, yes, this does lift as we see a weather pattern change. But you'll notice now our model data only goes out 48 hours, showing some of that trying to push down to the south with the front. The difference is this is not nearly as thick as what we're seeing across the Great Lakes. So we'll have to watch to see if some of this haze can make it down to Kentuckiana with the front this weekend. That's Saturday night into Sunday morning and potentially next Tuesday as well. But it's all dependent on the fire behavior, on the smoke behavior, and how well the firefighters up there are doing to keep everything contained. So we'll keep updates, of course, tomorrow throughout the weekend as well. Rain chances here at home, those do stay scattered in nature tomorrow afternoon and evening. I know it's a higher chance, a 60% coverage. It just means more of Kentuckiana. We'll be seeing some of those summertime pop-ups. 40% on Saturday, now trending to be in the evening hours. Pushing down to the south Sunday, mostly dry Monday, and then our next front on Tuesday. Satellite and radar, as we showed earlier, primarily dry outside of a lingering shower in Perry County and Adair County as well. So hour by hour futurecast, we should be seeing continuously drier conditions overnight with lows in the 70s. We could, however, have some patchy fog develop tomorrow morning as temperatures will be near the dew points. Partly cloudy skies, another hot and humid day, and you can see those pop-ups during the heat of the afternoon and evening. And then once sun does set, we see those fizzle. Now, Saturday morning, I think we should be staying primarily dry, pushes any kind of activity off to our east during the afternoon. And really, we're just waiting until later on in the evening hours. It could be 8 to 10 o'clock with a front swinging through from the north that we start to see some storms diving in here, and a few of those could be on the strong side. So that's something to watch Saturday evening into Saturday night. That same front pushes a lot of that moisture to the south on Sunday. Mostly dry and hot again Monday. Another front on Tuesday, and the next Wednesday and Thursday looking fantastic with highs in the mid 80s, lows in the mid 60s, and lower humidity arriving. Doug.